First day of your school. I told you to sleep early. Let's go na. Wake up na, wake up. Come here, come here. Let's go, let's go. Chloe, it's already 5 o'clock. Wake up. See the TV, Peppa Pig. Halika na. Sorry. Halika na. Sorry, Cargan Daddy. Come here. Halika na. Did you hear that? See you, Peppa Pig? Come here.